Esurance Price Quote. Esurance provides quick and competitive price quotes for auto insurance through its online platform. The quote process considers factors such as your driving history, vehicle type, coverage level, and available discounts. 1. How to get an Esurance price quote. Step 1. Visit the Esurance website. Go to the official Esurance website and select the Get a Quote option. Step 2. Enter your personal information. Provide basic details including your name, address, date of birth, and driver's license number. Step 3. Add vehicle and driver details. Enter information about your vehicle's make, model, and year, along with details about your driving history and any additional drivers on the policy. Step 4. Choose your coverage options. Select the type of coverage you need, including liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist, and any optional add-ons such as roadside assistance or rental car coverage. Step 5. Review discounts. Check for applicable discounts such as Good Driver, Multi-Policy, DriveSense Telematics, or pay-in-full discounts to lower your rate. Step 6. Compare your quote. Once you receive your Esurance price estimate, compare it with other insurance providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. 2. Factors that affect your Esurance price. Quote. Driving record, accidents, speeding tickets, and claims history affect your rate. Vehicle type. Newer and high-value cars typically have higher insurance costs. Location. Premiums vary by zip code due to accident rates, crime, and local regulations. Coverage limits. Higher coverage amounts and lower deductibles increase the cost. Credit score, where applicable. Some states allow insurers to factor in credit history, discount eligibility, bundling policies, safe driving habits, and paying upfront can lower rates. 3. Why choose Esurance? Fast online quotes and policy management without needing an agent. Multiple discount opportunities for safe drivers and policy bundling. 24/7 claims support and digital tools for easy access to policy details. To find out if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.